Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, where we bring you the latest and most exciting cars in the world. Today, we're diving into one of Ferrari's most anticipated releases, the all-new 2025 Ferrari VS. This is Ferrari at its absolute best, combining extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design into one masterpiece. Right from the first glance, you know this isn't just any Ferrari. The aggressive front fascia features larger air intakes, an advanced aerodynamic splitter, and a redesigned grille that improves airflow and cooling. The VS, or Version Spéciale, is built for pure speed, with every design element serving a performance purpose. Ferrari has focused heavily on aerodynamics, and it shows. The low-slung stance, massive rear haunches, and carefully sculpted side skirts all contribute to reducing drag and increasing downforce. This isn't just about looking good, it's about keeping the car glued to the road at high speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted by a racing-inspired cockpit. The cabin is wrapped in premium Alcantara and lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring that every ounce of unnecessary weight is removed. The driver-focused digital instrument panel provides all the vital information needed when pushing this beast to the limit. Ferrari has stripped away distractions, giving you a pure, adrenaline-filled driving experience. Under the hood, Ferrari delivers pure power. The 2025 Ferrari VS is rumored to feature a naturally aspirated V12 engine, pushing out over 850 horsepower. With a redline that screams past 9,500 RPM, this is one of the most thrilling engines ever put in a Ferrari road car. Paired with an advanced dual-clutch transmission, the VS launches from 0 to 60 in just under 2.5 seconds. At the back, Ferrari has gone all out. A massive rear diffuser, an aggressive quad exhaust setup, and an active rear wing ensure that the VS remains stable at high speeds. This is a car designed for the track but built for the road, combining raw performance with Ferrari's signature elegance. The 2025 Ferrari VS is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. A tribute to Ferrari's racing heritage and a glimpse into the future of high-performance engineering. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate Ferrari? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic car content. This is Smooth Auto Vibes, and we'll see you in the next one.